Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I will briefly introduce Spritzer Berhad, one of Malaysia's leading bottled water manufacturers listed on Bursa Malaysia. Established in 1989 and headquartered in Taiping, Perak, Spritzer operates using a vertical integration strategy, controlling its entire value chain from water sourcing to distribution. The company operates in a growing bottled water industry driven by increasing health awareness and consumer demand for healthier beverage options. Spritzer maintains a strong market position through its trusted brand, natural mineral water sources, extensive distribution network, and sustainability initiative. Financially, the company has shown strong growth, with revenue increasing from 433.3 million ringgit in 2022 to 579 million ringgit in 2024, while profit after tax rose from 37 million ringgit to 71.1 million ringgit. However, Spritzer continues to face challenges such as rising production costs, sustainability pressures, and intense competition. Moving forward, the company should focus on cost efficiency, ESG initiative, and product differentiation to maintain its competitive advantage. Next, I will discuss the corporate governance of Spritzer Berhad. Corporate governance refers to the systems and processes used to direct and control a company effectively. At Spritzer, governance is led by the board of directors and supported by the audit, nomination, and remuneration committees to ensure accountability, transparency, and effective decision-making. The company complies with the Malaysian Code on Corporate Governance and Bursa Malaysia, listing requirements through financial disclosure, ESG reporting, and stakeholder engagement. Spritzer also manages operational, financial, environmental, and compliance risks through internal audits, budgeting controls, and ESG monitoring. However, several improvements can be made, including enhancing ESG reporting with measurable KPI, increasing board diversity and expertise in sustainability and digital transformation, establishing a dedicated ESG committee. This initiative will strengthen governance practices, improve transparency, and support Spritzer's long-term sustainability and competitiveness.
Next, I will present Section 3.0, which is the external environment analysis of Spritzer Berhad. This analysis uses two tools, namely pastel analysis and portal 5 forces that used to identify the opportunities and threats faced by the company. First, based on the pastel analysis, several external factors influence Spritzer business. Social factors create opportunities because consumers are becoming more health conscious and prefer bottled water over sugary drinks. Technological investment also help improve production efficiency through automation and water purification system. However, economic factors such as rising fuel and transportation costs can increase operating expenses. Environmental and legal factors also require Spritzer to comply with sustainability and food safety regulations. Next, Portal 5 forces analysis show that the bottled water industry is highly competitive. While bargaining power, threats of substitutes, and competitive rivalry are all high because consumers have many alternative brands and beverage choices. Meanwhile, the bargaining power of suppliers is low and the threat of new entrants is moderate due to strong brand loyalty and distribution networks. As a result, Spritzer has several opportunities, including growing health consciousness, sustainable packaging trends, and the expansion of e-commerce. At the same time, the company faces threats such as rising operating costs, environmental concerns, and intense market competition. In conclusion, Spritzer operates in dynamic external environment. Therefore, the company must leverage available opportunities while effectively managing external threats to maintain its competitive advantage and long-term growth. That's all from me. Thank you.
Spritzer has several key strengths. The company operates a highly integrated production system, controlling activities from water sourcing to distribution, which ensures product quality and operational efficiency. It also has a strong brand reputation in Malaysia, access to a natural mineral water source that provides product differentiation, and strong financial performance, with revenue reaching Rm 579 million in 2024. However, Spritzer also faces weaknesses. The company is highly dependent on bottled water as its main product, incurs high operational costs, relies heavily on plastic packaging, and has limited international expansion, with most revenue generated from the Malaysian market. Based on IFA's analysis, Spritzer's strength including its strong brand, integrated operations, natural resources, and financial performance enhance its competitiveness and efficiency. However, weaknesses such as high cost, environmental concerns, and limited global presence may affect its future growth. Overall, improving sustainability, diversification, and international expansion will be important for maintaining long-term competitiveness.
Hello, my name is Nafa Mujib and I would like to present analysis of strategic factors. Based on the SWOT and SFAST analysis, Spritzer Berhad is currently in a strong strategic position with an SFAST score of 3.18. This indicates that the company's strengths and opportunities outweigh its weaknesses and threats. The analysis identified three key strengths that support Spritzer competitiveness, which is strong brand reputation, protected natural water sources, and ongoing sustainability initiative. These strengths provide a foundation for a long-term growth and market leadership. However, the company faces strategic challenges. Dependence on PET plastic packaging creates sustainability concerns, while reliance on the domestic market may limit future growth. At the same time, growing demand for the healthier beverage and sustainable products presents significant opportunities. Therefore, sustainability transformation, health-conscious consumer demand, and market expansion were identified as the highest priority strategic factors that should guide Spritzer future strategic direction. Based on the strategic issue identified earlier, three strategic alternatives were developed. The first focused on market expansion through e-commerce and export growth to reduce the dependence on the domestic market. The second focused on product diversification to capture growing demand from health-conscious consumers. The third focused on sustainability-driven growth through sustainable packaging and improved resources efficiency. After evaluating the alternatives, sustainability-driven growth strategy was selected as the recommended strategy. This is because it directly addressed the company's highest priority issue, which is sustainability and packaging transformation. In addition, the strategy strengthened ESG performance, improved operational efficiency, and enhanced the brand competitiveness. Therefore, it provides the most comprehensive solution for achieving sustainable growth and long-term competitive advantage.
Spritzer implementation strategy focused on increasing the use of recycled PET materials and developing sustainable packaging alternatives through research and development. The company will also invest in AI, automation, and energy-efficient technology to improve operational performance. According to the timeline, Year 1 focused on rPET adoption and packaging R&D, Year 2 on technology integration and sustainability awareness programs, and Year 3 on performance evolution and future improvements. To support this initiative, Spritzer will allocate financial, human, technology, and physical resource. Potential risks such as higher packaging costs, limited material supply, and resistance to change will be managed through appropriate mitigation strategies, while clean responsibilities will be assigned across all key departments. To evaluate the effectiveness of sustainability-driven growth strategies, Spritzer will monitor KPIs covering financial, operational, environmental, and ESG performance. These include rPET usage, revenue growth, customer satisfaction, carbon emission reduction, recycling rate, and ESG ratings. Performance will be monitored through monthly operational reports, quarterly management reviews, and annual sustainability report. Feedback from customers, employees, suppliers, and investors will be used to identify improvement opportunities. If targets are not achieved, corrective actions such as process improvements, employee training, and resource reallocation will be implemented. The company will also apply the PDCA approach to ensure continuous improvement and long-term sustainability.